Hello, today we are doing our first station rotation in this class. Station rotations are to ensure that everybody gets small group learning with me when we are learning new complex concepts. I need everyone to be on their best behavior during station rotations, and when you are not in a station with me, you are expected to be working through your other stations quietly. You may talk with a partner, but you are expected to be on task at all times. Please do not disturb the students that are working with me by being off task and making me have to redirect you. I appreciate your cooperation. So let's talk about the different stations. So in station 1, you are going to be doing the Petrie station. There are some task cards over there that are laminated. There are 8. And there's also a copy of how to write an isotope notation. You will use this and follow along with your isotope Petrie practice in Google Classroom, and you see how it's labeled here. You will work on this and answer all of the questions. Now some people may ask, well, how do I write the isotope notation? You can type it, or you can head over in your Google and press insert drawing, and then instead of the line, choose scribble, and you can draw with your fingers. Group 2 is very simple. Group 2 will be working with me. We will be discussing average atomic mass and how to work out average atomic mass problems. When you are in this station, you are expected to have your notebook and something to write with. Another caveat, in that previous station, you are going to be able to use your notebook as scratch paper to work out the problems. And if you do, you need to put those problems start on the second page, on the back of the second page. I will clarify this in a second when I am ready for us to start our rotations. Finally, after you go through groups 1 or 2, or maybe you start with 2, you'll then go on to station 3. Station 3 requires you to have your headphones. You are going to grab headphones from me, and you will watch the video on isotopes and answer the questions that go along with it. Then you will do some practice on 8-man, atomic number equals protons equals electrons, mass number minus atomic number equals neutrons, doing a pixel. So on the pixel, you will click at the element section that you see up here, and you'll click element 1, and then you'll type the answers into element 1. When you do this correctly, you will actually see an image start to appear on the right hand side of your screen. Be careful because there are 10 questions, so make sure you answer both sides of that pixel worksheet. And of course, if you have questions, you can just ask me, raise your hand, or quietly come up to the group that I'm working with to get some assistance. Each station today is going to be about 20 minutes. There will be a timer, and when that timer ends, we will rotate to the other stations, and we will rotate in order. So if you're at 1, you'll go to 2. If you're at 2, you'll go to 3. And if you're at 3, you will come to 1. All right, so let's get started.